Well, it's been a good few years since we've seen a supercross fight, and it just happened to be in the 250 heat number 2. Yeah, 250 heat number 2 between Devin Rapier and Alex Ray, which came out of absolutely nowhere. You know, they're just sitting there you're watching the broadcast, and it's like, oh, this is all great and well and everything, and then bam. And especially this, they had their little scuffle, and then they just stopped. They just stood there and were like, okay, let's remount and continue on our way. Apparently it didn't work out very good for them because they both got disqualified. And if you look too, I was watching a super funny meme from O'Neill about the Step Brothers and like trying to separate the two of them because, obviously they're wearing completely matching gear. They're riding for two different teams, obviously Alex Ray being on the Honda and Rapier on the Kawasaki, but you can tell, I think Alex Ray came up a little bit short or something like that, and Rapier ended up undercutting him. I don't know. But you can tell, bam, there it is. There's the fight. You can, neither of them threw a punch or anything, which is probably the smarter option because if you're going to punch somebody in the helmet, you're just going to break your hand. But they both, I cannot believe that Alex Ray didn't get injured, just getting plowed through by that other rider. And then you have this. They're just scuffling, pulling on helmets, and kind of just fighting. The track crew's there. He's losing his flag. The Alpinestars crew's guys coming in, and hey, they both get disqualified, but Supercross is going to use it forever. But tell me what you think in the comments below. Stupid fight. Do you think Supercross was right to disqualify him? Should they even use it now? Because obviously they're going to run it 1,000 times. And tell me what you think. I'll see y'all later. Peace.